Hi guys, it's Doreen and welcome back. It is so good to see you guys back here, and today I'm going to be doing a video where I'm going to show you guys how I did this makeup look using the Balm Alternative Rock palette. And I'm just really excited. This is going to be a pretty simple and easy makeup look. I didn't do any of my black eyeliner that I usually do, and I'm also not putting on any false lashes, so this is a pretty natural look. It is very soft and feminine, so I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's just get right into it. Hey! So I'm starting out with a bare face and I'm applying my Cetaphil moisturizer. This will help give a good base to my skin.
We can pretend that we're just friends, yeah, but who are we kidding?
Next, I'm applying my Carmax lip balm to keep my lips nice and hydrated. I'm opening my MAC Prime and Prep Fix Plus and spraying that to prep my face. Moving on to foundation, I have my Lumina CC cream and a damp beauty blender. I prefer to use the CC cream over regular foundation because I like how it's light coverage and doesn't feel heavy on my skin. I am making sure to gently blend the product onto my face and neck. Next is concealer. I'm using my IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer. This product is more full coverage, which I prefer since I have thinner skin under my eyes. I apply it everywhere I want to conceal and brighten. Using the same damp beauty blender, I blend the concealer into my skin. Taking my angled contour face brush and my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit, I dip the brush into the shade Vanilla and slightly powder my face to set the concealer. Bringing out my Hoola Benefit bronzer, I use the same brush and add shadow to my face. I start by finding the natural shadow under my cheekbones and blend the bronzer upwards. I add and blend the bronzer to my forehead, nose, under my lips, and jawline. This will enhance the natural features of my face.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch.
Time to add some color using blush. Here I have my Tarte blush. Using the same brush, I lightly add the blush above the bronzer, keeping it high up on my cheekbone. With whatever product is left on the brush, I lightly dust the color onto my chin and nose. With the face makeup complete, we're going to be focusing on the eyes. Using my Urban Decay Primer Potion, I'm priming my eyelids for the eyeshadow and blending it out with my ring finger. While that is setting, I'm going to do my eyebrows. Using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Powder Duo and an angled brush, I'm going to be dipping into the lighter shade, slightly filling in the sparse areas of my brows. Now is time for eyeshadow. Here I'm using the Balm Alternative Rock palette. Taking a fluffy brush and dipping it into the shade Let Me Zinc About It and dusting that all over my eyelid as the base. Using the same brush, I'm dipping into the shade None of Your Bismuth, concentrating this color on the outer edge of my eyelid and blending it up and around the crease. Taking a flat shadow brush, I dip into Nickel Bayou Dinner, which is a shimmer color. I apply this onto my brow bone and inner eye corner to create a highlight and brighten up my eyes. Now mixing the shades Bare Minimum and Am I Right and building up that color on the outer edge and crease of my eye. Also bringing it under my lower lash line. Using the same fluffy brush from before, I blend the eyeshadow. Now for the eyeliner, I'm taking a flat liner brush. I pack on the color Sodium Fine and tight line my lashes and create a slight wing, as I would do with my normal eyeliner.
I've been going out of my head, I've been waiting for someone to give me help. All I'm asking for is just some space and some time, then I'll be alright. I've been having thoughts in my mind, I can't get out. Tell me things I can't say myself, from you and nobody else. Everything is out of myself.
I curl my lashes using a regular eyelash curler and then curl them again using a precision curler. I coat my lashes with my Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara.
It's all so new to me. I need you. Someone to show me the way. The light doesn't shine on me. Shine on me, shine on me.
Moving on to the lips, I use my NARS Velvet Matte Lip Pencil in the shade Decibel. I follow the natural shape of my lips.
I've been chasing highs just to breathe, yeah, I need that. Take it all in now, I see what I'm.
Last step is to use the setting spray. Here I have my coolest setting spray. And that's it, I'm done. Here is the completed look. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up so that way I know that you guys want to see more videos just like this one. And definitely leave in the comments down below what you guys thought of this look. If you liked it, if you didn't like it, definitely let me know. And I'll see you guys in my next video next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!